Hi, my name is Joni, holistic health teacher, coach, and consultant. I'm often asked, what exactly is holistic health? So here's a quick breakdown. The word holistic refers to the whole. We need all parts of the whole to be in balance to hold us together. Much like a wheel, or you can visualize, say, a pecan pie, all of the pie-shaped pieces need to be there and need to be about the same size for the wheel to keep rolling without issue. With that, we must also recognize that we all excel in some areas more than others. When looking at your chart, we can pinpoint where you're doing well and where you might need a little improvement. For example, you might overachieve at work, yet underachieve in connecting with certain family members. You might be great at making healthy meals, but not so great at fitting in your daily movement or exercise. There's a lot to unpack for all of us, but we basically place attention on the following realms to begin this work: nutrition, hydration, movement, home and work environments, that's like the physical aesthetics, the spaces you live and work in, relationships of all kinds, so intimate, friendships, work relationships, your social life, spirituality, or insert any vocabulary here. So for you, it could be nature, it could be a specific religion, it doesn't matter, or it could be nothing. This could be a non-segment for you. Creativity and self-expression, finances, career, continuing education, and overall joy and satisfaction. You can also go back to the first several videos on this channel for introductions to the first few realms we analyze, with small challenges included for those willing. Next, how and why sessions with practitioners such as myself can help. Number one, we all have trouble seeing ourselves. It's tough to see, much less understand why we do the things that we do. Gaining a neutral sounding board in a coach or a teacher is key to uncovering what's lurking in the shadows, what might be unconsciously ignored, or sometimes we just need someone to point something out to us that's rather simple yet hard to see from where we're standing. Second, the purpose of a coach or guide is to take you from where you are today to where you want to be. This person will not do the work for you. That's always on you. But they can hold you accountable, support you, relate to you, see you, and hear you in ways that the people closest to you usually can't. This neutrality is the key ingredient. Third, the end goal and the most important component of a great counselor or guide or coach is not to keep you around as a client forever. Unlike other modalities, we create intentions and goals working together so that you can take yourself from point A to point B and then be done with me. Don't get me wrong, I've personally worked with many people, sometimes for a short time, sometimes for a long time, and sometimes we stop for a while, take a break, and pick it up again. I've been the coach and the client, so we're all on this journey together. Also, it's important to recognize that sometimes as guides and teachers, we may refer clients out to specialists who can better serve you. A good coach knows when to seek out additional support. I hope this helps you better understand how holistic health and its practitioners are here to serve you, and why gaining a neutral sounding board is better in order to travel well, achieve your dreams, and just really create the life that you want. Please do reach out with any further questions. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe. I appreciate your time and energy. Be well.